This video shows you how to create and manage user accounts and group rights in FastMaint Web and FastMaint Professional. Though this example is done with the Web Edition, the interface and steps for the Professional Edition is similar. The basic and standard editions being for a single user do not have users and groups. Click on Users in the Administration tab on the home page. In Professional Edition, you would use the User Accounts menu item in the Administration menu in the main window. You will see a list of user accounts that can log into the system. You can add a new user or edit an existing user. Let us open the entry for the user J. Brown. You can change their username, email, phone number, password, and so on. You can associate this user with a specific group, administrators, power users, or basic users. Based on the group they belong to, they will have different rights. Save your changes. They will be applied to the user the next time they log into the system. At any point, click on the Help button. You can see useful information on what to enter in the different fields. If you go back to the Administration tab on the home page and click on Groups, you can change the group rights of each group. Here you can see the 3 different built-in groups that FastMaint uses. Let us edit the group Power Users. You cannot change the name since it is a built-in group. However, you can change the access rights for this group. For example, change Calendar access rights to view. This means the members of the group Power Users can only look at calendars. They cannot change or delete them. If you change the right to none, they would not be able to even view the calendars in the system. Similarly, you can make changes as needed to other access rights. Once completed, you may save your changes. These rights will be applied immediately to all users in the group. For example, if you remove the right to calendars from their group, when they log in and go to the home page, the calendars will not be available.